Hey guys, so here we are today. We're walking you through the information in your email on Desmos. It's a website. It's more of an exploring website. So it's not like something where it's IXL, where it's like, hey, here's the right answer, here's the wrong answer. It's more about exploring, changing, doing things that are purposely wrong, just to see what it does, and then trying to make adjustments to make it right. And you might get it right at the very beginning as well. So here you are at your welcome page. You can see the sign in with Google. When you do click on that, it might give you a window. You might saw it real briefly there. You might have to close out, open it up again if that's the case. But if you do that, it'll take you right to where your class code that you're working on there. We're working on well, not this one because, well, this isn't you. All right. You're going to be able to enter a code there. So I'm actually going to go back. Well, there's all your codes that you've got in your email there. Make sure you're typing in the correct one off of it. All right. So I'm going to get back out here and I'm going to log on out to see the other options. Here we go. All right. So you could end up entering your code. I'm going to go to it here and let's see. We've got D8W38M. D8W3M2. D8W3M2. Okay, let's see if I can type it in. All right. D8W3M2. Let's see. Oh, I don't have caps. Let's see if that does it there. All right. Yeah. So then it is asking me to sign in. So again, you will sign in with Google. My passwords are everything's been put in automatically there. And then here we go. So what you're going to be doing here is I just typed in on period 3. You're going to start the activity. It is mini golf. Marble slides that are there. All right. And enter your name. Okay, we'll just use that there. And go. All right. So what we're working off here is our ordered pairs. The whole idea is to launch, and you can see up there, launch the marbles to go into it. Here are your ordered pairs, and you can see we've got 2 of them right here. It's tough to read off of here, and that's what I mean about you're just kind of experimenting there. So, like if I change it from a -2 to a -5, all right, I can see it moved it. All right. If I change it to a -3, all right. So what I can do is click launch and that didn't work. All right. So I do want to make this one kind of go back out further, which means going further to the left. So let's go back and let's change this one. How about like a -10? All right. And then I can hit launch and let's see, do they fall in? Yo, too far. Okay. Again, the whole idea is you can play around with these points that are there, and there's lots of correct answers that are going to get it there, and some of that's going to be too far. Let's not go to -10. How about let's just go to -6? No, I'm looking at that and I'm like, ooh, I don't think that's going to get. So how about -7? Oh, how about -8? Okay, I think I feel better about that one. Launch. No, 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 no. Okay, how about if I drop it down lower to like -10? Oh, that's double negative. We don't want that. How about that? Does that do it? Launch. Ah, there we go. All right. So then it does record when you did try it, all that type of good stuff that's there. We got it. We're good to go. So, oh, that's hidden up here. Where my screen up right hand corner is a button that says next. All right. So then you can click next. And again here, so change the XY coordinates. All right, bonus, collect all the marbles in the hole. So the idea here is, you don't want to try to get them to spill out. You want to get them to land that's in there. So yeah, like I said, it's an experiment. It's trying. You only need to get through slide number 5. All right, for your first day that's on it. But yeah, like I said, have some fun with it, go after it, and enjoy. It won't let me stop recording, so you might just want to hit stop.